What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. Today we had a speech from Powell and unfortunately it was not a very bullish, actually it was a bearish kind of speech. He said things that we didn't want to hear. He started saying that the inflation is not that bad right now because it has been worse in May if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, it is not good enough, meaning that they are going to keep pushing the interest rates. And as you know, this is not good for the crypto market. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, guys. You can see that we are still trading at this area right here, at this consolidation zone. We broke to the upside as we are expecting. I was trading this movement, but we were rejected already by this level. I told you about this level, and on this video we are going to talk about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So if that sounds interesting to you, smash the like button already and stick with me until the end of this video. And of course guys, before we start, click the link down below in the description of this video and on the comment section. Using the first link you're going to have access to Bybit, which is my favorite, my #1 exchange. Very good, very reliable, user-friendly, and also they are giving to you up to $30,000 bonus if you sign up using this link. But they are requiring KYC, so if you want to keep trading anonymously, I would recommend you then to use my second link, sign up to Bitflex, which is a very good exchange as well and does not require KYC. So let's go guys, let's talk about Bitcoin, let's talk about my position that I have opened. I showed you on the previous video, I was opening a long position on Bitcoin. I opened around this level right here, and after I opened my position, we went up for almost 5% as you can see, and I was using leverage of 3x. So around 15% with this movement, but we were rejected by this level right here. And I told you guys that this level would be an important level of resistance, not only because of this week of this candle right here, but also I told you that on the way up to our target, which is the CME gap right here, we would have resistance on the Fibonacci retracements. And as you can see, the first line of Fibonacci retracement, the 0.382, is the line that rejected the price once more and made us come back all the way down to this small rectangular consolidation here. I was actually expecting to be supported by the level of this on the way back right here. We broke it to the upside, and usually when we break a resistance, we come back to retest as a new support. And if I would see this level holding as a new support, I would definitely have added more money into my long position all the way to this target. But we didn't see that. Instead, we broke below once more inside this rectangular pattern right here, this one, and retested once more this resistance here, and this time we were rejected, guys. If we come to the 1 hour chart, you can see even better here that we were absolutely rejected by the level of this resistance. And of course guys, this is not good to the Bitcoin chart, this is not good to my long position at this moment. Now we have to pay attention at the level of this support, because if we fail this level, if we don't manage to get supported by this level, we are probably going then to see the price once more diving inside this zone of support right here. And once I start to see this type of movement on the chart, guys, I will be preparing to add to my long position at these levels, as I have already explained to you on the previous video. And to open more long positions around these levels, guys, I will need to, of course, see the price action, and we'll need to see which type of candles are being formed right here, if we are going to be, if we are seeing rejection, if we are seeing the bulls stepping in. It's not only we are coming to these levels, I'm buying and I'm long. It's not this, because as you know already, on the bigger picture we are not doing good. The bears are in control of the Bitcoin right now, guys. Actually, I'm trading against the trend because the trend was broken and we have this bearish pattern playing out right now. So that's why I have a small position here, guys. I am not going to put a lot of money on this long trade against the trend. And a very important level that we have to pay attention here, because as I said, we can come down and it can be a good thing. It can be just us grabbing more liquidity right here to hit our target, to close our CME gap. But also, of course, there is a threshold line that if we pass it, it's going to be very bad for the Bitcoin. And this line, let's come to the daily time frame. is the line of our previous low, this right here, at around $24,800. If we break below this level and also start to close some candles below this level, bad news guys, I would then forget about this relief rally that I'm talking about, and probably the CME gap that we were talking about is going to be filled sometime in the future, not now. Ethereum's chart guys is almost the same, it is very similar on my opinion. You can see that we are having this consolidation here after this huge leg to the downside. And we have this very important level of support right here, which is exactly the level of the previous low right here. And as I just said for Bitcoin, we cannot lose this level right here. We can see spikes once more as we saw already here and here. So that's okay if that would happen. We come all the way down to these levels right here. But the bulls immediately buy everything back and the candle closes above the level of this resistance. Would be good, would be great, and would increase our probability of having some type of relief rally. I don't actually believe in a very big pumpy action like this, but at least to the level of this $1,712, which was this area of this previous support right here. But if we retest this level and break below this level guys, closing candles here below this level, then bad news guys, we would be then breaking the previous low on the daily time frame, and we would be going to have another leg to the downside to find the next low. Link on the daily time frame, you can see that we have also a similar scenario, leg to the downside, and we are consolidating at this level right now. And here the most important level of support is around $6. We don't want to lose this. We are so far breaking below this, but this candle closes in 5 hours, so we still have time to come up again and close this candle above it. But so far we are breaking below this level, and we definitely don't want to break this level, because if we are going to break this to the downside, then let me zoom out. You can see that we are on this parallel channel right here. If we break this important level of support, we would then most probably come all the way down to the level of the support of this parallel channel that I'm showing to you right now. And that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!